Hello fellow rebels, and welcome back to the channel for today's video. So just a little update before we go for a spin. The back tire is being worn in now, so I think I've done about 100 kilometers on it, or a little shy of that maybe, so that's working well. Also an update on the front tire. So the front tire has been delivered to authorities, to the mechanics, and I should be getting it on in the next 2 or 3 days. So I've penciled it in for Tuesday, which is a couple of days away from today. Today is Saturday, so it's December, so the last month of the year, and the last month for the calendar as well. So the calendar is great. I got the classic motorcycle one last year. I got it in town. I'll begin in town anyway, so I'll show you where I get it or where you can get them from. I got the new one as well. But for this, it's been great because I can pencil in all the work that I got done on the bike, all the road adventure points for each month. As you can see, don't have it for this month, I have it for last month. So you have for the 10 pointers for last month all down there, different points that you have to get and different stuff you want to do. So it's actually really an integral part of the things I do on the channel as well. So that's fantastic. And obviously with the bikes every month, so I post it up on Facebook every month on my page, so it's Deise Rebel, and I put it up on screen there as well, so it's easy to research it. But yeah, it just gives you a different bike every month, and it actually ends with a Triumph Bonneville this year, which is cool. And on my Facebook I give a lot of information on it, and then I give a link to Wikipedia, which you can go onto that and have a look at the bike more, really old classic bikes as well, which is fantastic. And this is the new calendar for next year. I got it as well, and that has all your bikes then. So like the back of it is obviously there. I don't even look at a month ahead or anything, because I want to enjoy the surprise of it as well, and then post up the history of it and see what, you know, what kind of history. Land speed record was done by Triumph on the Bonneville salt flats, so that's where the Bonneville got its name, would you believe? So that's a little history on the Bonneville that I have, and the Bonneville on the last month, December for this year, for 2023. So look forward to cracking this open in the new year. We're going to head out now on the road, going to stop somewhere for tea and coffee. Hopefully my buddy's working there. If he's not, we'll have it anyway. And then I'm going to bring you in around town. I need to get my Christmas ornament in the Waterford Treasures. I get one every year since I lived in Cork, which is part of my name. Obviously here on YouTube, the Rebel means Cork, my love for Cork as well. And if I can get a proper parking spot, I park up Bonnie and I'll bring you in around Winterval, and we can have a look at it, and I'll show you what's going on in around there. The atmosphere is great. I was there last week with my son, but I wasn't on the bike. So this time I'm going on the bike. I'm saying it a long time now, so I'll bring you in with me. And it's a glorious day outside. I think it's only 3-4 degrees, but the sun is out and it's nice and dry. Let's head off. Well, that was a lovely tea and lunch. I got an Italian, which I always like anyway. But yeah, we're going to head into town now. The lighting is very good. We're going to head into town now and get the ornament in the Waterford Treasures. Bring you in there, and then we'll see. Then we get some parking to go into Winterval. So let's go. So I'm going to head in here and get my ornament. Hopefully they have something nice for me. And in here, in the Waterford Treasures. So let's have a look. This is where I get my bike hand. Bike one's there. There's the bridge bike up there.
Sorry guys.
Your fellow biker there, Jamie, as well. Alright, Jamie.